in this video I'm going to show you some wrapping paper that I designed. It arrived today, so I have already opened it. So I couldn't wait to have a look. I'm just going to show you how it came out like. So I have loads of different styles. These are all kind of like repeat patterns. If you want me to do a tutorial of how to make a repeat pattern so you can make things like this or put them on clothing and stuff like on Redbubble and all those different products, I can do that. So basically it's just you make a small section and it's something that can be repeated without any like lines separating it. So it just looks like this one continuous bit. So this is my first one that I got. And the paper's actually kind of really thick, so you can wrap it really well without actually worrying it's going to rip. And it's got lines on the back as well to help you cut straight, which for me it doesn't really have, so you can never cut straight anyway. Okay, so the next one is like a sweet themed. So like a pick a mix, old school pick a mix. Then this one is a birthday one specifically. It's just, yeah, it's really childish, I know, but I like it. It's just a little poop with a birthday hat and one of those whistly thingies. And it's don't have a crappy birthday. I just found it funny, so I had to make it. And then this is actually a set that I put together. The other three are all singles. They can come in sets, but they're not together as a threesome like that. Like the cat one, it's slightly different colour backgrounds. Some of them are available in rolls as well, so you can just buy a continuous roll of one style. These three are part of the horror movies package, so it's like have a killer birthday. And then, if you know, you know. So there's a generic killer one, then The Shining, and this one is inspired by Friday the 13th. Meant to be Ralph, like a pixelated version. It's a pattern I came up with myself that I do want to use for like a crochet project. And then it says your birthday is doomed. So probably that one's only really good if someone's seen the movie and they actually have a good sense of humour. Some people might see it as like your birthday is doomed is a bit rude, but I found it funny. But yeah, so it's a quick video just to show you it. I'm really happy with the quality and like the print and how it's come out. There's no breakages in the pan or anything, so it's all good. Yes, that was my first kind of sample pack from Zazzle that I ordered. I'm gonna order a few more things to see how they turn out. And then I'll show you guys. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.